Get paid to type. Best online typing jobs from home. Do you know you can make money online just by typing? Yes, no degree, no experience, and absolutely no investment needed. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 legit typing jobs you can do from home using just your laptop or mobile phone. So watch till the end, because I'll also tell you how to apply and start earning fast. 1. Data entry typing jobs. These are the simplest typing-based tasks like form filling, copy-paste Word, or basic document typing. Best websites: talentdesire.com, clickworker.com, Lionbridge/SmartCrowd. Earnings: $3 to $10 per task, depending on speed. 2. Captcha typing. Perfect for beginners. All you do is type the characters shown on the screen. Best platforms: 2captcha.com, megatypers.com. Earnings: around $1 to $3 per hour. Not high paying, but super easy. 3. Transcription typing jobs. You listen to audio and type what you hear. If your English is decent, this is one of the best paying typing jobs. Best websites: artev.com, gotranscript.com, scribai.com. Earnings: $15 to $60 per audio hour, depending on accuracy and speed. 4. Article rewriting / AI content typing. You don't even need to write from scratch. You could take existing content and rewrite it manually or using AI tools like ChatGPT or Quillbot, then sell it as content writing. Best platforms: Fiverr.com, Upwork.com. Earnings: $5 to $20 per article, depending on length. 5. Online form filling / survey typing. Some websites pay you to fill out surveys or answer questions through typing. Best platforms: Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, MyPoints. Earnings: 50 cents to $5 per survey. How to get started fast. Take a typing speed test on typingtest.com. Download or screenshot your result. Use that as proof when applying on websites. Even 30 to 40 words per minute is good enough to start. Typing is one of the easiest and safest ways to start earning from home, even if you're a complete beginner. I've added all the website links in the description below, so go check them out and start applying today. If you want me to make a step-by-step tutorial on any one of these websites, just comment "typing tutorial please" and I'll create it for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because I'll be posting more real work from home earning ideas every week. Thanks for watching, and happy typing.